The future of roofing has arrived. Are you ready to lead, or will you be left behind? Planet Safe Roof Repair has been actively engaged in high-level discussions and contract negotiations with insurance industry leaders, including board members and vice presidents of major insurance companies in the state of Texas. As a result, we are not only informed about the changes coming to roofing claims, we're helping shape the industry with our patented granular roof repair system. Planet Safe Roof Repair is positioned at the forefront of this industry transformation, leading the way into the future of roofing. What is driving the change in insurance? Here's what we're seeing across the board. Numerous insurance companies are going into receivership every year, and others have to continue to tighten their standards. They're scrutinizing claims, demanding better documentation, delaying and refusing payouts. Issues regarding the rising cost of labor and material, increased amount of claims, and legal exposure from liability issues are all major problems to solve. Progressive Insurance Company has halted homeowners' insurance policies, and this isn't the only major insurance company to do so in Texas. Foremost, Insurance, a holding of Farmers Insurance, had temporarily stopped writing and renewing new policies. One of the largest Texas insurance carriers has also been struggling to turn a profit in recent years, reporting a pre-tax loss of $398 million in 2023.
Why a traditional roofing company will fall behind? Insurance companies are changing their policies to take more control over roofing claims. They have a choice, and they will begin to choose to approve roof repairs instead of full replacements, regardless of the homeowner's preference. If the damage falls within their defined guidelines, such as hail damage the size of a golf ball or smaller, they have the authority to authorize only a repair. Homeowners will often be left without a say in the outcome because the change is already in their homeowner's policy. Insurance companies are increasingly structuring their homeowner policies to give themselves the authority to select roofing contractors that must meet strict criteria, including passing rigorous laboratory testing and holding proven patents for their repair methods. In many cases, the insurer will pay the roofing company directly, removing the homeowner from the decision-making process entirely. Why traditional roofing companies will fall behind? The roofing industry is entering a new era, one driven not just by technology and sustainability, but by significant shifts in how insurance companies handle claims. Insurance providers are rewriting the rules. They're adjusting their homeowner policies to take more control over roofing claims, often leaving traditional roofing companies on the sidelines. Here's what's changing: repairs over replacements. Insurance carriers are increasingly choosing to authorize repairs rather than full replacements. If the damage meets the insurer's predefined criteria, such as hail impact the size of a golf ball or even tennis ball, they are now authorized to approve repairs only, rather than full replacements. Policy language that removes homeowner choice. These decisions are backed by updated policy language, meaning homeowners often have no say in the outcome. The insurance company decides, and the policy supports that authority. Approved contractors only. Insurers will now be looking for roofing contractors, but only those who meet strict criteria. To be eligible, roofing companies must pass rigorous laboratory testing and demonstrate proven patented repair methods that align with the insurer's standards. Direct payments to contractors. In many cases, insurers are bypassing homeowners altogether, paying contractors directly. This leaves traditional roofing companies locked out of the process entirely. The message is clear. If you're still operating as a traditional roofing contractor, your business is at risk of being excluded from the future of insurance-funded roofing work. That's where Planet Safe comes in. Planet Safe Roof Repair is uniquely positioned to thrive in this evolving landscape. We are the only roofing contractor with the laboratory credentials, patented technology, and proven track record to meet and exceed the insurance industry's new standards. Let's recap. Proprietary, lab-tested repair methods that meet strict insurance guidelines. Patented technology trusted by industry leaders. Eco-safe, long-lasting solutions that align with future-focused policies. Being recognized by insurance carriers as a compliant partner. While traditional contractors are being phased out of insurance networks, Planet Safe Roof Repair is being brought in, not just to participate, but to lead.
Don't let your business get stuck in the past while the industry moves forward without you. The insurance world is changing, and we've built the roadmap to keep you ahead. Join Planet Safe Roof Repair. Future-proof your roofing business and make sure you're ready. This shift isn't temporary. If you want your roofing company to succeed long-term, you will need to adapt now. Not next year. Not when it's convenient. Do it today and be ahead of other roofing companies instead in the back of the line. Planet Safe Roof Repair is designed for these new insurance changes. Our methods are insurance-friendly. Our patented granular repair system makes it easy to provide a repair process and low-cost long-term solution that insurance carriers love. What you gain as a Planet Safe partner. The insurance company will assign hail damage claims directly to Planet Safe Roof Repair, and we will then distribute the work to our franchise partners for fulfillment. You will then have a place at the forefront of the industry. Planet Safe offers full staff training at your location. All franchises come with full branding and marketing support. Backed by more than 12 years of hands-on expertise in granular roofing, our team delivers proven, high-performance solutions you can trust. Now you have access to the newest Go Green roofing method. Build something that lasts for your business, your customers, and the planet. Be a leader in the roofing industry's future. Join a proven system that's aligned with where the insurance world is going. The opportunity is now. The insurance industry is evolving. The question is, what are you doing to evolve with it? Planet Safe is setting the standard. Don't get left behind. Join the movement franchise with Planet Safe Roof Repair. The roofing industry is changing, and Planet Safe Roof Repair is leading the way. Now is your chance to be part of the future with a proven system, exclusive technology, backed by over a decade of expertise, and aligned with evolving insurance standards. Don't get left behind. Be a part of something bigger. Call now to secure your franchise and join the Planet Safe movement today.